Whether you're a hopeless romantic or you're not feeling the love this Valentine's Day, it's always a good time to pick up a book. We've come up with a few of our favorite romance novels to cater to every reader, whatever your tastes.
Hello, my name is Peggy Bircher, and I select all things adult fiction for the Fairfax County Public Library system, including romances. And what would Valentine's Day be without reading some romances? So I just wanted to show a few things, a few titles that I thought you would enjoy. The first is a paranormal romance. And generally I'm not a big fan of paranormals, but this is a long-running series that I have read all of them and have really enjoyed. It might be a little hard for some people to imagine talking about romance and vampires in the same breath, but this series does a great job of combining those two very things. This is number 23 in the series about the Argenau family, and Lindsay Sands is a great author. She's fun, her dialogue is fun, there's lots of action in here, so never a dull moment. Julie James is another one of my favorite authors, and this is a contemporary title. She is an attorney by profession and a writer, and a wonderful series. Another great dialogue writer, a good read. Her newest novel is coming out in April, and a lot of Fairfax County Public Library customers have been chomping at the bit to get their hands on it, so I expect it to do great things. And another author in the historical field is Mary Balog. She's a Welsh writer and just wonderful author. This is a series called The Survivors Club, and it is a group of people who have each been touched by the Napoleonic Wars in some way. This is a story of overcoming difficulties, a story of finding love, because it's a romance, and a story of friendship and support from people. And you couldn't possibly mention romances without talking about one of my very favorite authors, Nora Roberts, a prolific writer. I think I've pretty much read everything she's written, and again, wonderful dialogue, great settings, just a wonderful, wonderful author. I can't say enough about her. And she also writes a futuristic series under the name J.D. Robb. So if you like the way Nora writes as Nora, try in some of her books as J.D. Robb.